Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Here looking at this pressurization unit. In order to get in, the password was 4321. I think that's quite a generic password for these GRUNDFOS pressurization units. You can go through the settings. On this one, I was called out because it went out on HP, high pressure. It was set to about 3.2 bar. It was on 3.2 bar. But the high pressure wasn't that far from it, so I adjusted it. I put it up to 4 bar on this system. There's ways also of testing the pump. It only had one pump on it, but there are ways of testing the pump. You've got the float valve here, the pressure trends. That's the low level pressure switch. Pump, 1.9 amps, pressure transducer there, and that's your manual fill if you want to fill it up manually.